expansive views and classic 1960s charm, this large family residence offers space, versatility, elevation on a generous green title block of 761 square meters. Ideally positioned in one of Fremantle's most convenient pockets, it's just moments from the Fremantle Town Centre, Horrilong Reserve and the vibrant George Street precinct. This residence boasts high ceilings, timber floors and large windows. The ground floor features a lounge, dining and kitchen meals area, plus a family or activity room at the rear, ideal for relaxed living or entertaining. There are also 3 spacious bedrooms and wraparound balcony on this level. Downstairs, the basement adds flexibility with a second bathroom, laundry, and a large garage and workshop. This is a classic family home in a convenient and connected location.